we decided to go back to Sofia. So I just bought the Posno vegan panica with some sort of onions there. It's really, really good. This is a room in Sofia again, and this is the view. Beautiful Sofia. We also have this big living room, kitchen, and a nice balcony, and amazing view. This is a banica that a friend made. It's also Posno, vegan. It's with leek and spinach. As you go out, you already feel that you need to put a hat on and gloves on because it's very cold. Well, as you can see, in Bulgaria there's a lot of water, and now it's 10 o'clock in the morning and the sun is so low as if it's sunrise. Very low sun, and here's another stream. This is us searching our way in Sofia. There are always a lot of trees, a lot of parks. Here's one. You can see the lobes. And when you walk here, this is all ice, so you need to be careful not to slip. Just like enter the forest, it's so unique and special. Bulgaria is very beautiful, and it is very special to be in such a very cold climate for us. Everywhere you see they chop woods, collect twigs. We feel like we just entered the Sound of Music movie with this thing where they sing, "You are 16, going on 17." We're in Europe. Europe. Buena Academia Park. I probably say it wrong, but this is what we could read from this Cyrillic writing from Google Maps. Probably there's an academy somewhere. Oh, that building over there is a big academy. There's also interesting architecture and building from centuries ago. This beautiful building is a University of Sofia. This is ice. It's a monument for the king who freed the people or something. The Alexander II, the Tzar, who was like the freeing king. Special trees here. Like this is a very special tree. I don't know its name, but it's impressive. This is like a small store, and you buy from this little hole over there. It's nice a bit to be in the sun here, a bit warmer. We reached the Vitosha Boulevard that goes up to the Alexander Nevsky Church, maybe to the Vitosha mountain. It's a nice place. Edgy veggie, we reached it. It's a 100% vegan restaurant or bar. Got wonderful vegan cakes. We're walking on the Vitosha Boulevard. Hey, look! What a sweet sculpture. It's real. I told you before we were walking to the Nevsky Church, but this is a Hagaya Nedelya Church, and from here the boulevard starts. The sun is always in the height of your eyes here. I ate the leek one, the one filled with the leek. Here in the sun, near the Grand Theater, the Sofia Grand Hotel, the park. It's so nice and warm to be here in the sun. I ate the spinach banitsa now. I mean, it's nice and warm, but I still am with all the coats on, so it's not freezing. The spinach is good. I like Sofia because it's got a lot of little trams and a lot of streets that there aren't any cars, especially in the old center. Here's like a little tram passing by. It's beautiful. It's a calm, very calm place. Another one. I was told these trams are very, very old. This is a really nice Italian restaurant called Visto Pesto. Really sweet. Again, we're on the Vitosha Boulevard, going toward the Vitosha Mountains. Let's see what there is up there. It's a nice street. With a nice vegan cake. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wonderful. How is it?
Good, very good.
Yeah.
Wow, there is a strange taste I can't recognize.
good strange taste. So if you want to ask a place if they have postno meal or vegan meal, ask them imateli postno. Do you have postno? Do you have vegan meals and stuff? And if you want to be polite, you should ask imateli postno pola? Something like that. Imateli postna hrana. Do you have vegan food? Imateli postna hrana. Let's hear you.
Imateli postna hrana mola.
That was, do you have vegan food? Please? Yeah. And we're going to see the
Sofia.
Sofia, the Saint Sophia Church. We'll enter it, see what's inside. It was built in the 10th century. Saint Nedelya Church, which means Sunday, church, saint of Sunday, and it was built in the 10th century. Ancient church. Looks really impressive. The church is also called Hagaya Nedelya Church. I just want to make a little prayer here for world peace, that all the people in the world will be peaceful and be kind and loving for each other, that the world won't see any wars and there won't be any more bloodshed for humans and animals too. Amen. Now we're going to eat this amazing vegan yogurt with blueberries. Tasty? Is it?
Perfect. Very, very good.
How was it?
Still. It's only 4 leva. It's €2. And it's half a liter of yogurt
Wow.
with probiotic.
And apple juice, apple concentrate and blueberry concentrate, and soya yogurt with probiotics.
It's not too sweet, just perfect.
We're in the Cultural Palace Park and people are playing here. It's so nice. There are a lot of lion statues here in Sofia. What is a statue?
The monument to the servicemen of the 1st Sofia Infantry Division, killed in battle, will be restored here. Its lion was preserved by the National Museum of Military History and was returned to its original place on 4th November 2017, All Souls Day, Day of Souls.
In remembrance of the soldiers of Bulgaria, and maybe all of the soldiers who fell in the world. They are lions. Adar is very smart, I must say. She knows the direction. And now we're going back to the center of Sofia, the old center, which is the most beautiful part. Sofia has a lot of parks that are really, really beautiful. And it's so calm, and I really love it. Hooray, hooray, Hadar. If you like our stories, please comment and like, and of course subscribe to our little channel. We would like to have a bigger channel with more subscribers. Look, such a beautiful painting on a shop that is closed now. Amazing.
Check your appearance before you go out.
Oh. We're going to see the artist and Margarita play by Nabokov, Alexander Nabokov. Ooh. So we're in the theater waiting for the show to begin. It's a nice theater in Sofia. So I've got my binoculars. We're sitting at the balcony, and we're waiting for the play to start, and it's going to be in Bulgarian, but we understand it's very creative, and it's like a pantomime, and so we'll understand it. To the Sofia airport, and we'll see you in the next one, in our next adventures. See you guys.